In this video, I'll guide you through how you can record your computer screen using OBS Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To record your computer screen using OBS Studio, at the beginning intro download and install OBS Studio on your computer. If you don't have installed OBS Studio on your computer, then let me show you how you can download OBS Studio and install it. At the beginning, open the web browser and search for OBS Studio download. Then open the first official website and click on Download Installer. Then OBS Studio start to download on your computer. Once the download process is complete, then you have to install it by double-click on it. After install OBS Studio, you need to open it. Then click on this plus icon to add a scene and give a scene name. And hit OK. Now you have to add source for this scene. To add source, and click on this plus icon. Let's think you want to capture your display. Then select display capture, give this a name and hit OK. Now click on display drop down box and choose your display and hit OK. Let's think if you want to record your microphone, then click on this plus icon and choose audio input capture, give this a name and hit OK. Now click on device and choose your microphone and hit OK. Now you have to do another settings. Click on settings, then output. Now you have to choose your recording path. That's mean where all the OBS record video will be stored. Then select a video and select base and output resolution to the maximum. Lastly, click on OK. To start recording using OBS Studio, you need to click on Start Recording. Once you finish the recording process, then click on Stop Recording. By following this in the tutorial, you can easily record your computer screen using OBS Studio.